one or the one on the side over there?
Well,
If you want to bring this over just to compare.
I don't see you. I'll call you if you need.
it's in my pocket.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. We'll see you in a little bit.
Yep,
Thanks,
we're about
Jan.
ready to go.
Okay.
Thank you, Justin.
Yep. You're welcome.
If you're gonna
This is 20 by 28 or 22 by 30.
And I have one. This is called
Yeah. Yeah. Where?
the frames on our wall color. Beautiful, thank you. I'm supposed to drive them so that I can have the cocktail party.
There's still stuff in this cage.
So I got like everything that I made for the season. The best of the best is out right now. So some of them are going to be really technical. I'm sure I won't. Could be why.
How are you?
fine.
And then it comes out hard like a regular figure. And then I put a thin coating of wax and resin on top. And then I put the beads into that, holds them in position. And then I seal it, varnish, paint it. And it comes out.
How do you put the beads?
And because we do have customers from Boston that come down to see us, but I'm not sure about that show this year. If we've been.
All I do.
Yeah.
hard to tell. But if you need something similar to that, we can always.
Can you imagine what a mess it would be?
With the light on it.
Joe, look at this picture. I'm not sure if you made this years ago or maybe.
Definitely gonna change.
We did this. Well, it's not so much that.
Oh, okay.
While
Oh,
you
so
were-
she's going? For real? She's going?
Yeah, she wants to go.
No, for sure. Let's go talk about it. I need
I mean, you have to call up all these people that have asked for a specific spot, and I don't know, it's just so long.
that white in that little panio.
Yeah, eventually.
Maybe there.
Sure,
if
you
that's.
Keep so busy.
He doesn't. He knows my husband.
Oh.
Burner.
That looks like my mom had that piece could have been hers.
Green fan, then I'm a Big Ten fan, so when Ohio State was in front of us, I said,
Back to the jewelry. Luckily, Mimi was smart, that's why we brought. So how do they do it?
But not the smaller. We don't have it in the smaller. The smaller, no. Yeah. And then I'll come find you.
He likes any one of those. He likes the turtle. Yeah, one time for the room would be better.
Now there's another turning board on the inside over here that's hard.
It all goes in the big pot. No.
Oh, okay.
Laura's father.
Well, you know, I think it would. See that you could turn over. Yeah.
Good.
Like even this side right there. That's fired on there. You'd have to do them about every 2 months. Sure.
A hedgehog.